So how much capital do you need to earn X amount of dollars per month? $1,000 per month, $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, $100,000 per month. We have people doing 3K per day. How much capital do you actually need? Now, I dislike this question, yet I'm still going to attempt to answer it because the answer is, well, it depends on how much risk you're willing to take, how much skill you have, if you're taking on any leverage. For example, here on, I started with around $4,500 on this. I'm making $202 per day. But guess what? There's a level of skill it takes to do this. I mean, yes, most of this is blue chip stuff, Bitcoin, ETH, a little bit of Arrow, and a little bit of a mean in breadth there. But the point is that using this tool, I can set really tight ranges and I can actually set up auto rebalancing. If you want a video that explores VFat a little further, do let me know. Here within our FastTrack coaching program, which is our one-on-one program, you do need a minimum of $25,000 to invest to be part of FastTrack. But on Monday, there was a really awesome mastermind call all around VFat, and it is an insanely deep call that talks about VFat, how to set up your auto rebalancing, how to set up your auto compounding. As you can see, I have it set up here. And on some of these blue chips, I'm earning a really, really high return. But there is a level of risk, and there's a level of automation, there's a level of skill, and there's a level of knowledge that's needed to earn these ridiculous returns. Whereas over on Beefy, as you can see, on way more than, on 10 times more capital, I'm earning half as much, or about half as much, let's say, per day. Although this has been around $200, $250 because this is about a week's worth of yield. So it's just down today because whatever volumes are a little bit down. But either way, you can see that on 10 times more capital, I'm earning about the same per day. Again, on average, it's been around $200. So we can kind of say it's about the same. And again, $4,730 over here, earning $200 per day, and $56,000 over here, which was around $55 yesterday because the price of assets have gone up, and this is all in blue chip stuff as well. We got Bitcoins, we got ETHs, we got Matics, we got some ARBs in there, and my P&Ls are all nicely in the green except for ARB USDC is a little bit down right now, but you can see that the yields are fantastic, they're awesome, and this is way more of a hands-off portfolio, blue chips, set it, forget it. I never check this, it does its thing, and I only really have to check it once a week, if that. And you can see I'm diversified between Polygon, Base, and ARB as the blockchains, Uniswap, Aerodrome, and some Gamma over on the actual platform. And then, of course, over here, you could lend out stablecoin at 17%. So to make $100 or $200 per day, or 3, 4, 5 grand, or 10 grand per month, you'd have to have a lot of capital. Like I'm guessing in the millions. And so the point I'm trying to make is there is a massive range. Again, 17% a year, 1,500% a year. This is $200 per day here. Just this mixed with this is already $10,000 a month. And this is just a fraction of my overall portfolio. So you can kind of do the math on the numbers you can get. Now, how we like to teach it, and again, let me know in the comments if you want more content like this, because I'm so obsessed with learning the actual skill set. Because when you first start, you might earn lower yields because your skills aren't there yet. But as you get better at this game, and you can do some auto rebalancing, you can set up different ranges, tighter ranges, auto compounding, really get the momentum working for you. You can get higher returns. But if you don't have the skill set and you don't know what you're doing, and you just jump into platforms like this, then you're probably going to lose money. Which is why I'm so big on the education. Which is why we're so committed to making the Underdog Investor Group accessible to anyone. We literally have priced it in a way where if you can commit to 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and really go all in, you can really learn the skill set. If you just jump in to DeFi and you think you're going to get rich in a week, you're probably going to be massively disappointed. So again, in the comments, if you want me to release this mastermind call, or at least a portion of it, where we talk about the VFat and how to use VFat and the challenges with it and just how to rebalance it, how to compound it, all that fun stuff, do let me know in the comments. If we get enough people interested in it, I will release the video on YouTube. It is going to blow your mind, and we have 3 of those per week. If you have 25K or more of capital and you don't want to F around and you want access to a team that literally has helped deploy millions of dollars in DeFi, then FastTrack could be a good fit for you. Again, it is by application, and we're pretty choosy because we want to ensure you get results. But apart from all that, even if you're not interested in FastTrack, do let me know if you want me to release this. Again, we have calls 3 times a week. We've been talking about VFat a lot. looking at different members' positions in VFat and exploring it, widening ranges, rebalancing, exploring trace finance, a bunch of stuff in here. And I'm thinking once a week, maybe I'll release a little bit of FastTrack trading to show you guys what happens in FastTrack, and if it's a good fit, maybe you'll end up joining. But the point is, the range of what you can earn is massive. So see how this just went out of range? So my yields have dropped. Now I do have a auto rebalancing feature set on this. So if it just drops down or goes just above my auto rebalance, it'll auto rebalance it for me and get me back into this position. I think this one's doing around 300 to 400% returns depending. So anyway, crazy stuff. If you want more videos like this, or if you want me to share more tools, again, YouTube's not my full-time job. We do share this stuff in the UIG first. We have a full out, if you are in the UIG, go to the DeFi projects and guides and head on over to the VFat walkthrough. Very in-depth walkthrough where Reed actually walks us through how to use VFat and understanding how it works, how to automatically stake positions via sickle. All of that'll make sense as you watch this training. Jump in here. I mean, this is the best 14 minutes you're going to watch in a while if you're looking for a new platform that has a lot of features. It's really, really awesome. So do check it out. With that said, like this video. If this was helpful to you, subscribe to this channel. Do let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. And with that said, I'm going to leave 4 more videos on the 4 corners of your screen for your viewing educational purposes. Do check them out. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.